In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. And at first you need to open the settings, then locate and open apps and notifications, and here scroll down. Then enroll advanced options and pick special app access. And here you will notice install unknown apps, and you can smoothly pick some particular app that you would like to give this permission to. So for example, let me pick files. Okay, it can be Gmail, and just mark the switcher. From now on you will be able to install via this source, and just pick the app that you would like to add this function, and this is it. So that would be all. This is how you can activate and use unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.